Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I created this look using Dollar Tree makeup, just keep watching and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go in with this. It's a foundation from LA Colors. This is the color that it is. Shape. It's not a lot of color, so I'm gonna go ahead now and just blend out whatever concealer slash foundation that I have. It won't give me a very defined arch, but I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out.
Everything changed.
Also found this eyeshadow primer at the Dollar Tree, and it's from LA Colors. I'm gonna use it to prime my eyes. See how it works. I'm gonna use my finger to blend it out. It melts right in, but we're gonna see how it really performs. Now for the start of the show, I'm gonna go in with this LA Colors eyeshadow palette, or quad. It has 12 shades and it's called Basic Chic. I'm gonna go in with this color and go through my crease with it. Yeah, as we can see, it's sticking. I don't know if it's the primer or what, but it's showing up pretty well. And remember, it's a $1 shade. It's from the Dollar Tree. It's $1 for this palette, so I don't expect too much, but you know, I'm giving it a fair chance, as we should with everything. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but in person I think it's really picking up, and it's like one of those taupey colors. So, and I do have dark skin, so I don't know, and it's a matte shade, but it's really picking up. Going in with this shade to darken up my crease, and yes, it is a glittery shade, but I need a little, and I'm gonna use it to darken up my crease. I'm gonna go in with this in the outer crease of the eyes, and also bring it a little into my crease, the crease itself. First, I'm making sure that I place it, you know, before I start blending it out, and it's definitely darkening up the look, I must say. As you can see, it is blending it out pretty well. Blend it into that. I'm gonna go in with this color first, the silver right here.
Everything changes.
And I am getting some fallout, but that's okay. It's $1. The palette's $1, so I don't expect magic. Now I'm gonna, as I said, I'm gonna finish up the outside with that purple that we went into the crease with earlier, right here. Now I'm gonna go in back with the same foundation from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna already put my foundation down, and I'm just gonna use my finger because it's a very watery consistency foundation. And I'm gonna tell you now, if you don't like scents, this is not gonna be something that you probably like. I really don't like scents either, but I'm using it because it has a floral scent to it. And the concealer is pretty, the concealer foundation is pretty light, and watery, but who's in it? I mean, it's $1. You know what we're saying? It's the Dollar Tree. It's the whole point of this is to show that you don't have to spend a whole ton of money, which it's nice to buy, you know, the brands that everybody knows about. But we could always work with what we have until we get what we want, or what's in our price range until we get what we want. So we're trying this out and we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush and just to blend out the end of my product so everything is merged together. Even though it is a liquid, it's very liquidy, but you know, just to seamlessly have everything blended out. I also picked up a elf powder, and I'm going to use that powder to set under my eye and wherever I put that foundation. And it's not too bright. So I could kind of like bake with it, you know. This, yep, I found it at the Dollar Tree. Elf, it's $1, and it was $1. I don't want to set with my regular powder all over my face, so I'm still gonna go in back with the same elf powder, the light color that I did under my eye, and just ever so lightly set the rest of my face, because whenever you put down cream or liquidy thing, you should always try to set it. I also found this actually there at the Dollar Tree. It's a bronzer, but bronzer blush. So I'm gonna use that to, you know, my contour. Try to see if I could get a little contour from it. It is a little darker than the powder that I use. I don't know how much contour I will be able to get. Carve out, give me the illusion of chiseled cheeks. And to finish up under my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the purple, the eye color purple. This dark purple. And the brown, kind of like this. Get that look. Found this color matte blush as well. It's an elf mascara. I found it at the Dollar Tree. Wet n Wild pencil. That is also from the Dollar Tree, and it's in chestnut. Chestnut's a pretty good color by itself. I would wear it by itself, but since I did find some lipsticks, I'm gonna go with them. And the first one is this LA Colors lipstick. Neutral. It's called Neutral. It's a nude.
Everything changes.
This is the final look from my Dollar Tree makeup find. I hope you like it. I think it turned out pretty well, and I think I'm gonna turn this in a little series where I'm gonna do looks from the Dollar Tree, or very affordable look. Let me not just say the Dollar Tree, very affordable look. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you again. I hope your days as wonderful as you are.